Okay, so Manish, let's proceed ahead with your HR for NRL.
Yes, sir.
So we have very brief introduction from your side.
Good evening, sir. My name is Manish Kumar Sharma, and I am belong to the city known as coal capital of India, that is Dhanbad. I did my schooling from my hometown itself. Then I completed my bachelor's in chemical engineering from one of the reputed college of Jharkhand, BIT Sri Dhanbad. Then I completed my master's from Indian Institute of Technology, Dhanbad. Coming to my family background, my father is a carpenter, and I believe I have never ever had seen a person working harder than my father. And my mother is a housewife, and she is excellent. She is very good in cooking, and I have a one younger brother and a sister. Coming to my project, I have done the project of pipe friction factor calculation when the fluid is flowing through the pipe, and then after I have completed, then I have did my intensive from Chasnala coal preparation plant. And apart from that, I have also done the industrial visit of IOCL Baroni, where I have learned how the refinery work. And my favorite subject is fluid mechanics and heat transfer. That is it's from my side.
Okay, Manish, आपने MTech किसमें किया?
MTech in sir fuel, mineral and metallurgical engineering.
So why you did MTech?
Actually, sir, I belong to Dhanbad, so from and I live near the IITISM Dhanbad. So at the time of my childhood, I have a dream that I want to be a part of IIT. So that is why, if I have qualified the gate, so I have decided that I have to do the MTech. So that is why I have did MTech.
So do you think your MTech will be helpful in your job in NRL?
Yes, sir. Actually, my MTech is basically on the fuel department. So basically, I have learned about the various fuel like solid fuel, the gaseous fuel, and the liquid fuels. In the liquid fuels, petroleum is also coming. So that is why I believe that will help me a lot if I get the opportunity to join the NRL.
And what was your BTech background?
Sir, BTech in chemical engineering, sir.
Chemical engineering.
Yes, sir.
So Manish, you have done your training in IOCL refinery.
Yes, industrial visit, sir, for 7 days.
Only 7 days.
Yes, sir, but I know about the refineries actually.
So आप इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी रिफाइनरी के बारे में बताएंगे कुछ?
Sir, actually, the largest refinery, I think, Jamnagar refinery of Reliance Industries, sir.
और पब्लिक सेक्टर में सबसे बड़ी रिफाइनरी कौन सी है?
Public sector, I think, in Mathura, I think IOCL, situated in Mathura.
अच्छा, आप NRL के बारे में जानते हैं? कौन से ये मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आता है?
Sir, Ministry of yes, sir. Actually, I know Ministry of Petroleum, Ministry of Petroleum, Government of India, and the Ministry of Mineral and Petroleum of Government of Assam.
आपको मिनिस्टर्स के नाम पता है इन दोनों मिनिस्ट्रीज के?
Yes,
इंडिया और
sir.
असम?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, Hardeep Singh Puri is the Ministry of Petroleum, Government of India, and sir, actually some Tamil. I have forget the name. Actually, some Tamil is there, who is basically the government, Ministry of Petroleum for Government of Assam.
Okay, and who is the CMD of NRL?
Sir, Dr. S.K. Barua, sir. Sri S.K. Barua and Sri Harishchandra Murmu. Sri Harishchandra.
Harishchandra
like
क्या
that.
है?
No, sir. Actually, some Harishchandra is there.
Harishchandra.
Chairman, sir.
Are you sure?
So maybe, sir, I have forget, but I have read that one.
Okay. अच्छा, मेरे को ये बताइए, ये NRL के कस्टमर कौन कौन है?
Sir, customer is ONGC, sir, and Nalco, and then Hindalco.
तो क्या बेचते हैं? ONGC को क्या बेचते हैं?
Actually, the NRL have some 5 to 6 products like kerosene, jet fuels, then petroleum coke, then high-speed diesel. So maybe.
Any idea where is the marketing terminals of NRL?
Yes, sir. Actually, NRL have 2 market terminals. One in the Numaligarh refinery and one in Numaligarh, and other is in Siliguri, that is in West Bengal.
Okay, Manish, why we should take you only? There are so many students today. So can you Justify
Yes,
why
sir.
we should take you only.
Sir, actually, I believe I am a hardworking person and I am very disciplined. And apart from that, I am very good in the technical skills and I have some soft skill that is needed. Like I am very good in managing the person. For example, when I was in my BTech and at that time I was in the sports club of BIT Sindri and I was the event manager over there. With me and my club members, I have organized the various sports and games. And then apart from that, I have also lead my team where I have represented me as a captain of captain of chemical engineer, and we have won the inter-branch cricket tournament. So I believe I have a good managing skill. So if it is required, if the management is required, then I can also do that. And one more thing is that I am very comfortable to any sort of condition. I am willing to relocate if needed, and I can be compatible for any kind of environment. So that is why these are the reason that is so that I would be I
Manish,
will getting.
how do you define yourself as a person?
Sir, actually, for as a person, I believe I am a very simple person and I am hardworking. So to prove that, I would like to bring to in my childhood. I was
So
basically
why you will not join Coal India Limited or something like that, IUCL, rather than NRL, which posting is in Northeast only?
actually, sir, I have got the call from that PSUs, but actually, I am not getting the chance to join that company. So
लेकिन
my
कल को अगर चांस मिल जाए तुम्हें धनबाद में कोल इंडिया में ज्वाइन करने का?
No, sir. Actually, I have done my BTech in chemical engineering and MTech in fuel mineral and mineral engineering. And I have read about the solid and liquid fuel. But my interest is towards the petroleum because in the chemical engineering we have studied the unit process and the unit operations. And in the unit operation, basically involve the chemical changes like in the chemical reaction, in which chemical reaction takes place in refinery in reforming unit, where we have basically upgrade the quality by adding the hydrogen so that we can convert some paraffinic compound to aromatic compound. So I believe the more unit operation involved in the refinery compared to that of Coal India. In the Coal India, we have only the work in the washery section, and in the washery section, only a few unit operations like size reduction and size separation units are there. So I believe if I am getting the opportunity to join NRL, then it will be good for me to expose my technical background that I have learned.
But what if we put you in the marketing division of this NRL?
Sir, I have already told you that I am very good in managing the situation. So what I believe, if I am getting the chance to join the marketing, so I will learn how to do the business, and I am a quick learner. So I believe I can cope up with the situation.
Okay, Manish, let me give you the feedback. So
Yes,
Manish, आपको अभी एक तो बहुत फास्ट बोल रहे हो और बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहे हो.
yes.
The pace is fast and you are speaking, you are giving lot of information. Like कोल इंडिया का पूरा तुमने बायोडाटा निकाल दिया. क्वेश्चन बड़ा सिंपल था कि कोल इंडिया क्यों ज्वाइन नहीं करोगे, तो आप सिंपल उसका आंसर करना है, टू द पॉइंट, स्ट्रेट. बहुत ज्यादा नहीं बोलना कि उसके अंदर ये होता है, उसके अंदर ये होता है, मेरे को ये करना है. उस ओवर स्मार्टनेस नजर आएगी उनको.
Yes,
तो वो सारे फंडे नहीं देने, आपने सिंपल बोलना कि सर कोल इंडिया जो है वो मैं केमिकल इंजीनियर हूँ और मेरे लिए नेचुरल चॉइस जो है वो ऑयल कंपनी है सर. कोयला कंपनी नहीं. बस बात इतना. कोयला भी अच्छी कंपनी. अगर तुम CIL की इंसल्ट करोगे ना NRL के सामने बैठ के, तो वो ये मानेंगे कि तुम किसी और के सामने जाके NRL की भी इंसल्ट करोगे. गॉट माय पॉइंट? कल को कोल इंडिया के इंटरव्यू में बैठेंगे, वहां NRL की इंसल्ट करोगे, तो ऐसा मानते हैं इसको. तो तुमने किसी पब्लिक सेक्टर की इंसल्ट नहीं करनी.
Yes, sir.
तुमने बस ये बोलना कि तुम्हें NRL क्यों जाना है, ऑनेस्ट आंसर करना है कि सर ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आई डोंट हैव ऑप्शन, and number 2, NRL is a very good public sector, sir. So if I get opportunity, I'll continue working in this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And moreover, I'm a chemical engineer. For me, natural choice is refinery, sir.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा बोलना बात खत्म करने की, right?
Okay,
बाकी पेस थोड़ा फास्ट है, आप इस वीडियो को खुद भी देखना अपने आप को and do the analysis, right?
Okay, sir.
The rest is, I think, okay. The answer that why we should take you only, आंसर सही
Yes,
है,
sir.
लेकिन थोड़ा सा लंबा लगा मेरे को।
Okay, sir.
See, you are a capable boy and you have knowledge. Capable
Yes, sir.
fellow having knowledge, उसके लिए सबसे मुश्किल होता है to restrict that knowledge.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you start telling many things, तो वो उसको
Yes.
गलत लेते हैं, right? So the
Yes.
challenge in front of you now is कि कितना बोलें, बहुत ज्यादा ना बोलें।
Yes, sir.
खास करके लास्ट वाला जो आंसर था कोल इंडिया, वहां तुम सुनना ध्यान से, तुम बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहे हो, तुमने सारा उनका बोल दिया और तुम CIL की इंसल्ट भी कर रहे हो, वो नहीं करना।
Okay, sir.
डन मनीष?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.